You want to talk about staying cool without the noise and the massive electric bill. And today, we are looking at two heavy hitters in the mini split world. I spent 17 years in this industry after working as a nuclear power electrician. And if there is one thing I learned from the Navy and the field, it is that the data does not lie. We are doing a head-to-head on two premium tier units. The Rheem Classic Plus series, specifically the Roche AFCJ model and the York H series high efficiency. Both of these are solid choices, but when you are looking at a $4,000 investment, you need to know which one is going to hold up when the August heat hits 100 degrees. Let's start with the build. Both of these units come with coated coils. In the HVAC world, that is your first line of defense against the elements. If you live near the coast or in a high humidity area, an uncoated coil is basically a ticking time bomb for corrosion. The Rheem Classic Plus comes in with a 24 SEER 2 rating, while the York H series sits at 23. On paper, Rheem takes the efficiency crown by a hair. When we talk price, you are looking at a retail equipment cost for the Rheem condenser of about $1,550, with a total professional installation averaging around $4,100. The York H series runs a bit higher on the equipment side at $1,750, bringing the total installed price to roughly $4,400. You are paying a $300 premium for the York, and we have to decide if that is worth it for the homeowner's bottom line. Before I give you the verdict, here is my pro tip for maintenance. These high-efficiency units are essentially high-performance computers that move air. If you let the indoor filters get clogged, you are strangling the system and forcing that inverter to work twice as hard. Pull those filters once a month, wash them out, and let them dry. Looking at the warranty battle, it is a dead heat. Both Rheem and York offer 10 years on parts and 10 years on the compressor. Neither of them offers a full unit replacement warranty in this tier, which means if a major component fails, the manufacturer provides the part, but you are still on the hook for the labor to swap it out. It is a standard industry warranty, but it shows both brands have skin in the game for at least a decade. So, who is the winner? If I am putting my name on the install, I am going with the York H series high efficiency. Here is exactly why. The sound levels and the air quality. The York runs at 53 decibels compared to Rheem's 58. 5 decibels might not sound like much, but because sound is logarithmic, that is a massive difference in perceived noise. When that unit is sitting right outside your bedroom window, you will be glad you spent the extra $300. Plus, York includes a HEPA and deodorizing filter set, whereas Rheem just gives you a basic mesh. For the better sleep and the cleaner air, York is the pro's choice. Shop like a pro by checking the head-to-head tool on hvacforbeginners.com to compare all of the brands.